If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that could transform how you live, love, and lead, it would be this: feel everything, obey nothing. Your emotions are not the enemy, but they are also not the authority. They are signals, information passing through you, not commands meant to rule you. Most people don't lose control because they feel too much. They lose control because they obey what they feel. Anger rises, they explode. Fear appears, they retreat. Sadness visits, they shut down. Desire pulls, they abandon their values. That is not emotional intelligence, that's emotional captivity. Feeling is human, obedience is optional. You are allowed to feel anger without destruction, sadness without collapse, desire without self betrayal, fear without paralysis. Emotions come to inform you, not to run your life. They knock, you acknowledge, but you decide. Maturity is not numbness, it's discernment. You don't suppress emotion, you observe it. You let it rise, you let it pass, you don't build your identity inside it. This is where power returns to you. An unregulated person feels controlled by life. A regulated person feels grounded within it. Self mastery doesn't mean you feel less, it means you are no longer ruled by what you feel. That's freedom. Imagine this version of you. Emotions come, but don't hijack. Reactions slow down. Decisions align with values. Peace becomes familiar. That's not cold, that's centered. Let this anchor deep. You don't need to shut down your emotions to be strong. You need to stop handing them the steering wheel. Feel the anger, then breathe. Feel the fear, then choose. Feel the sadness, then stay present. Feel the desire, then honor your future self. Every time you feel without obeying, you reclaim authority over your life. And the person who governs their inner world cannot be manipulated by the outer one. So today, practice this quietly. Acknowledge what you feel. Release the urge to react. Choose who you want to be. Feel everything, obey nothing. That's emotional mastery. That's real freedom. Pause here. You were never meant to be ruled by every emotion that passes through you. Emotions are weather, not the sky. They change, they move, they pass. But when you obey them without awareness, you hand your future to temporary feelings. This is where most lives drift. Not because people lack ambition, but because they surrender authority to emotion in moments that matter. Real power begins the moment you decide, I can feel this and still choose wisely. Feel the anger and refuse cruelty. Feel the fear and choose courage anyway. Feel the sadness and stay present without collapsing. Feel the desire and protect your long term self. This is emotional maturity. You stop fighting what you feel, but you stop being controlled by it. And something changes when you live this way. Your reactions slow, your words become measured, your presence becomes calm, grounded, undeniable. You no longer need to explain yourself. You no longer need to prove strength. Your restraint becomes your signal. So today, let emotions pass through you like information, not instructions. Let them inform you, not define you. Let them visit, not go on. Because the person who can feel deeply without obeying impulsively has mastered one of the rarest skill on earth. That is freedom. That is self-command. That is leadership from the inside out. Feel everything, obey nothing, and watch how your life begins to answer to you. Thank you for being here.